So direct material, how much? Direct material 2,60,000. Then direct labor 1,40,000. Direct expenses 30,000. So 260 plus 1,40 plus 30. So 170 plus 260. It is 430. It is 4,30,000. So this is prime cost. Add factory overheads. What all are the factory things in this? Means in the this type of question will ask, what all are the factory things you need to consider? Means what those factory expenses you need to add up from this. So traveling expenses, it is not a factory one. Depreciation on machinery and tools. So depreciation on machinery and tools, repairs on plant machinery and tools, gas and water, work manager's salary, rent, rates, taxes and insurance, depreciation on furniture, factory rent, rates, taxes and insurance, director's fees. These are the items to be there, and we need to add the factory expenses. So depreciation on machinery and tools, where it is in the factory. So depreciation on machinery and tools, how much is the amount? It is 6,000. Okay, then repairs on plant and machinery. Plant and machinery, how much is the amount? 14,000. Then factory rent, rates and taxes. That is 8,000. Then gas and water, whatever the expenses relating to office and administration, that is to be added up here, 2,000. Then work manager's salary. How much it is? 10,000. So 20, then this is 10, 30 plus 1, 40. This 40,000 you need to add up with the prime cost. So that is the factory overheads or factory cost or work cost. 4,70,000. 4,70,000. Then you need to add the administration overhead. Along with this, you need to add the administration overhead. Add administration overheads. Rent, rates, taxes and insurance. How much is the amount? 20,000. Then depreciation on furniture, office furniture. That is, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഫാക്ടറിന്ന് പ്രത്യേകമായിട്ട് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. Okay, depreciation on furniture. Here it is considered as office furniture. Depreciation on furniture, it is depreciation on furniture 3,000. Then director's fee. Director's fee, it is 6,000. Director's fee, it is 6,000. Then gas and water, that is office. See, it is specifically mentioned there. Office, it is 2,000. Office manager's salary 9,000. So how much? 23 plus 6, 29 plus 2, 31 plus 9, 40,000. So the same 40,000 is there. This is what add office and admin. So COP, cost of production or office cost. It is called cost of production or office cost. 470 plus 40, 510, 5 lakh 10,000. Then add selling and distribution overheads. Selling and distribution overhead. Selling overhead and distribution overhead, you need to add up with which one? Cost of production or office cost. That is carriage and cartage outwards. Carriage and cartage outwards, it is 6,000. Then comes traveling expenses. How much it is? 8,000. Then traveler's salary and commission. How much it is? 6,000. So, so 20,000 is the which one? Selling and distribution overhead. So it is increased to 5,30,000. This is the cost of sales or total cost. So total cost is how much? Total cost is 5,30,000. This 5,30,000, and then we are taking the comparing the sales. Then we get the profit or a loss. This is the normal cost sheet. There is no adjustment item. Only the items in the question we are added up. The adjustment item under fifth module പഠിക്കും. So cost of sales or total cost is 5,30,000 and sale is 7 lakh. So there is a profit, correct or not? This is less than this. Sales ആണ് കൂടുതൽ. ഇനി ഇത് കൂടുതലാണെങ്കിൽ loss ആണ് വരുന്നത്. So add profit. എത്ര വരും? 7 lakh minus 5,30,000, 1,70,000 is the profit. So this is the balancing figure in this. So sales is how much? 7 lakh. That is already given in the question. This is the cost sheet where we are firstly direct part there is separate and indirect part. After the prime cost, whatever the expenses coming, that all which one? Indirect expenses. Before that, all is direct expenses. So now you are aware about this thing. So students, we will do one more problem. Here, what are things we in the question? Direct materials consumed is 11,40,000. Then director's fee, it is 30,000. Repairs on plant, machinery and tool, it is 16,000. Gas and water factory 7,000. Factory rent, rates, taxes and insurance 24,000. Direct labor 2,20,000. Traveling expenses 12,000. Direct expenses 50,000. Gas and water office 9,000. Office manager's salary 32,000. Work manager's salary, it is 9,000. Carriage outwards, it is 16,000. Depreciation on furniture 8,000. Machinery and tools depreciation 22,000. Traveler's salary and commission 9,000. Office rent, rates, taxes and insurance, it is 60,000. And sales, it is 20,000. Prepare the cost sheet with the prime cost, then work cost, cost of production, cost of sales and profit. So we will do it now. Here, what is the first thing? Direct materials consumed. You can draw it in the correct way. So it is 11,40,000. Okay. Then next is what? Direct labor. Direct labor is how much? 2,20,000. Then direct expenses, how much it is? 50,000. So add up these three, then we will get what? Add up these three, then we will get 11,40,000 plus 2,20,000 plus 50,000. 14,10,000. See the answer in the question. 14,10,000. So this is the prime cost. Add factory overheads. What all are the factory overheads that we need to check it? One is repairs on plant, machinery and tools. So that is a factory item. Repairs on plant, machinery and tools. Why it is to be used, the machinery is used, tools is used in factory. So that is 16,000 is added. Then gas and water factory. How much it is? 7,000. Then factory rent, rates, taxes and insurance. Factory rent, rates, taxes and insurance. It is 24,000. Then traveling expenses, it is a selling and distribution item. Direct expenses, it is already taken. Gas and water office, that is office item. Office manager's salary, it is 9,000, goes to office. Work manager's salary 32,000. Work manager's salary 32,000. I think Travelers Commission office, that depreciation on machinery and tools. On machinery and tools. So how much it is? Machinery, where it is not in fact office, it is in factory. So this need to be added. Depreciation on machinery and tools, it is 22,000. So we will add up with this. How much it is? 16,000 plus 7,000 plus 24,000 plus 32,000 plus 22,000. 101,000 plus how much it is? 14,10,000. 14,88,000 only need to get. Then 15,11,000 minus 'once again, how much it is? Repairs on plant and machinery, it is 16,000 plus gas and water factory, it is 7,000. Okay, then factory rent, rates and taxes 24,000. Okay, then next item is what? Direct labor we already taken. Traveling expenses, it is to be taken in where? It is to be taken there in traveling expenses, it is to be taken there in selling and distribution. Direct expenses already taken. Gas and water, this is 50,000, that is there. Office expense. Office manager's salary, it is coming to office. Work manager's salary, it is 32,000. Carriage outward, selling and distribution. Depreciation on furniture 8,000, that is office. Then depreciation on machinery and tools 22. Travelers salary and commission, selling, office rent, rates, taxes and insurance 60,000. So there will be work cost is having some doubt. 16,000 plus 32,000. 79,000 plus 14,10,000. How it is to be? So here, what all things is to be there? Repairs on plant and machinery and tools 16,000. Gas and water factory 7,000. Factory rent, rates and taxes and insurance 24,000. Work manager's salary, instead of 32,000, it is 9,000. I wrongly written this thing. 9,000 instead of 32. Instead of 9, I put 32 because of a confusion there. So this 9,000 and depreciation on machinery and tools, because machinery is where it is to be used in the factory. So 78,000 you need to add along with this. So that is what work cost or factory cost. Work cost and factory cost. It is 14,88,000. 14,88,000. That is what the factory cost. So all the factory overheads to be added, like along with the prime cost, like whatever relating to the factory. Repairs on plant, machinery and tools 16,000. Gas and water factory 7,000. Factory rent, rates, taxes and insurance 24,000. Work manager's salary it is 9,000. Depreciation on machinery and tools. Machinery is where it is used. It is used in the plant, or where is the plant? Plant is in the factory. So whatever expenses relating to the factory, that is indirect expenses, that is to be added along with the prime cost. Then we will get the work cost or a factory cost. Along with this, what we need to add? The office, whatever things relating to the office expenses, that is to be added up here. So add office or administration overheads. Administration overheads, where it is? One is repairs on plant and machinery, that is we already taken. Gas and water factory already taken. Factory rent, rates, tax and insurance already taken. Directors direct labor 2,20,000 already taken. Traveling expenses, where it is selling and distribution. Direct expenses 50,000, that is already taken. Gas and water 9,000, that is the first item. Gas and water office already mentioned there. So it is 9,000 to be added along with this. So gas and water office 9,000. Office manager's salary 32,000. Then work manager already taken. Carriage outward, it is not office. Depreciation on furniture. Which one furniture? It is office furniture. Allengile our factory specify cheyide. So depreciation on furniture it is I think it is 8,000. Then traveler's salary and commission, where it is there in distribution. Then office rent, rates, taxes and insurance. Office rent, rates, taxes and insurance, it is 9,000. Then director's fee. Where is the director? He is in the office. So director's fee, it is 30,000. So we will add up these things. So how much it is? 9,000, 32,000, 8,000, 9,000, 30,000. Here, see, gas and water office, it is 9,000. Whatever the expenses relating to office. So gas and water 9,000, office manager salary 32,000, depreciation on the office furniture, that is furniture 8,000, office rent, rates and taxes 60,000. Then finally, what is that? Director's fee, it is 30,000. We will add up and then whether we will get this one or not. So it is 9,000 plus 32,000 plus 14,000, no, 68,000. Okay. 32,000 plus 38,000 plus 60,000, 1,39,000 plus 1488 plus 0. 16,27,000. See the cost of production that is given in the question. 16,27,000. So it is minus 14,88,000. How much it is? 1,39,000. So 1,39,000 is the office overhead. So 16,27,000 is the which overhead? Office overhead, office cost or cost of production. From this, which expenses need to be added? From this, we need to add selling and distribution overhead for calculating the which one? Total cost or cost of sales. So we will calculate what the total cost of or cost of sales, whatever the item except sales, other than all the items you need to take care here. Means whatever the items relating to selling and distribution of overhead. So that one we will look into. Add selling and distribution overheads colon. Direct material already taken, fees, director's fee, office, repairs on plant and machinery gone already, gas and water factory taken already, factory rent, rates, taxes and insurance taken already, direct labor 24 direct labor taken, traveling expenses, that is what the item in where selling, traveling expenses, how much it is the amount? 12,000. Then direct expenses taken, gas and water taken, office manager salary taken, work manager salary taken, carriage outwards. Carriage outwards. So it is carriage outwards. Amount is 16,000.